Well, good evening, Sunday night, and time to transition now into week 3. So first things first, again, really good job on the Unit 2 discussion board and understanding the concepts of strategy as we start developing the whole thing. Let's see, we got a lot of comments again on Michael Porter, few on Tom Peters. Nobody asked me what was that strange thing from BMW South Africa with the walking windmill thing doing there. So I'm just going to sit there and wonder for a while. Maybe by the end of this video I might say something, maybe I might not. I was just really kind of struck that nobody said, "Gee, Professor, what is that doing there? Why is that there?" But I think, again, we discovered a lot about the whole idea of strategy and things that go into the whole concept, uh, competitive advantage. Uh, got a great question today, just this afternoon, about platform leadership. Uh, Interesting stuff that's in there. So really, I congratulate everyone. Thank everyone for your efforts and hope we keep it up. I will now start posting some grades to those and pardon my delinquency, it's been really busy. We're getting ready for an accreditation visit, so you can imagine the time pressures on everyone. But we're, uh, we're anticipating a very successful visit from our accreditors at the New England Association of Schools and Colleges, and when NEASC is done, maybe things will calm down a bit. Okay, what did I want to say about this coming week? You're going to see, again, loaded with visual stuff. We're going to continue on the concept of competitive advantage. That's a PowerPoint in there, and chapter in the text. Read and view as has been the practice. Then we're going to bring in a couple of other interesting ones. First is a gentleman by the name of John Gertzema, who's going to talk to you about things in consumer trends. And you may wonder why we're going to do that. I think by the end of the unit, you'll see why. Another on brand positioning, a guy named Rory Sutherland. And Roy Sutherland is an English advertising guy, so you may have to put up with a little bit of a British sense of humor. I, for one, happen to think that the video is hilarious, but I also think it's very profound in what it tells us about people's perceptions of product and what that's all about and how people see different, just perception is reality sometimes. Watch Sutherland's video. Then towards the end, you'll see the product of some of my either doing it right the first time or laziness and never doing it again. But I'm going to introduce the major project that I've been talking about for the course, and you'll see that it's a big project to give somebody 6 weeks to do. But I'm trying to do a simulation of a senior management task. And frequently that's the kind of thing you get, about 6 weeks to pull off something massive. And that's what I'm asking you folks to do. Yes, it's going to be in groups, and I'll make the group assignments totally by random. I'll get that up and posted in a couple of days. But two things. If you read the assignment, I have it in narrative form in a Word document. Forgive me for not changing the dates, but it is exactly the assignment that I gave to this same class back in Mod 6 of last year. And then also you'll see a video where I'm sitting outside anticipating a thunderstorm and explaining the project. Well, that's part of, again, no need to do it again, and also to give us all a little hope that summer will come back. So hopefully you'll see the lawn sprinkler in the background, and for those of you who've never been to Post, you'll get a little bit of a glimpse of the campus and see that, yes, we are not just a computer screen that sits down and annoys you for hours and hours during the week. But watch that video, read the assignment link. It's going to tell you about the project. The project is a challenge. It's designed to make you a little bit crazy, but it's also designed to allow you to really put to use all the concepts of strategy that we're talking about. and I think you're going to find it quite challenging. So that's by way of intro to week 3. Again, great job on weeks 1 and 2, and kind of looking forward to where we go from here. Thank you again. Good night.